on the 5th of May 2015, we actually opened the doors for business. 1 year and a few months after the whole thing was set up. I think it was quite an achievement, and obviously we had a team in place which has helped me along. And from there, like I said, the business element came into it. I must say that the Gibraltarian community gave us their full support, and within a very short period of time we had enough deposits to be able to lend, which was something crucial at the time because developments like Beachview Terrace were coming into effect. So we gave around 450 mortgages within a year and 2 months of opening, and that got us going to quite an extent. I mean, in the 8 years, the bank has grown exponentially, way beyond anything we imagined and that was on the business plan, to the extent that now we have 18,000 clients holding 28,000 accounts. We have 1.3 billion on deposits, which for a small jurisdiction, a small bank, is quite a figure. And we've lent over 450 million pounds to help the local community. So personally, I'm very happy with the results achieved to date.
So as you say, you were filling a gap left by a financial institution the size of Barclays. It must have been slightly overwhelming at the time. You've grown the way that you have. It's been the trajectory that the bank is on seems to be positive. What about the future? What do you foresee for Gib Bank in the future?
Well, the future, we have to consider we are a small bank in a small jurisdiction, and we haven't got the resources of a NatWest, HSBC, Barclays, the larger banks. But that doesn't mean we can't progress. We're already, like I mentioned earlier, giving our services and products to a large numbers of the community, whether personal or corporate clients, and there's still a lot that can be done. We can obviously engage even better with the public to see what are the demands, the changing demands of the market. We can go into things like, for example, development finance. We can, if the shareholder and the board would wish to, try and see whether wealth management, for example, can be another avenue to explore. But in the main, I would say more of the same, because I think it's crucial. We are supplying a service very much needed by the local community. We don't really need to change much in that respect. We are, I would say, a first-class lender to the market. But yes, like every business in life, there is room for growth.